Hey guys, it's Kelsy, Murphy, and Charlie from Physical Therapy and Injury Specialists. I don't know about you guys, but with having more time down at home, my husband and I have been doing more house projects. Our most recent one involved putting up all of this screening on our patio so we can enjoy the view and the nice weather when we've got it, with our furry friends, of course. But after half a day of drilling, we noticed that our forearms were really sore. So I wanted to show you a few stretches you could try if you're feeling something similar after doing some DIY projects yourself. So I want to show you a couple muscle stretches for that forearm, one for the top and one for the bottom. We're going to start with our elbow nice and straight, and we're going to pull our hand gently down until we feel a stretch across the top of our arm. We're going to hold that for 20 to 30 seconds. Getting a nice stretch through those muscles. Then we'll switch and we'll pull that hand up until we feel a stretch through the bottom part of our forearm. Again, we're going to hold that for 20 to 30 seconds. I like to alternate back and forth because one side gets a stretch while the other side gets a break. I do 3 reps each way, and of course you can do it on both sides also. So if you're feeling some new aches and pains through those arms from doing more with DIY projects at home, give these a try and see how they do. In the meantime, enjoy the weather when it's available, get out and get some sunshine, and good health to everybody.